Friends, I am Manil Kumar, motivational speaker. Today I am going to speak about public speaking. Everybody very much craze in that public speaking, but it is very difficult to speak in public in front of the people. So today I am going to give some tips how to improve our public speaking skills, especially in English. In local, they can able to speak in front of the people without any hesitations. But English language is a difficult task for everybody to speak in front of the public. So what we need to do is, if we speak very confident in front of the public, we have to practice. We have to practice it. How to practice? Excellence is not an accident. It's a bundle of error and trials. Once again I'll repeat. Excellence is not an accident. It's a bundle of trial and errors. So when excellence it comes, if we put efforts, keep on trying, definitely. If you make practice, perfect practice, if you make perfect practice, habit, it will be get habituated and automatically it comes. If you keep on practice, if you keep on practice speaking, if you keep on practice of anything, it will come automatically. So you'll be perfect on that. So that is the reason, if we can able to speak in front of the public, we should always practice. Practice is the only one weapon we can able to speak in front of public. Every day, at least minimum 5 to 10 minutes, you have to speak in front of camera and you make record it and try to see it and try to verify it, how you have been communicated, where you have lack. That and all you have to come to know. If you come to know your positive and negative, definitely you can able to make negative into positive. My earlier videos were very poor. I was not happy. Nowadays I got little happy. Why? Because every day I am improving. How I am improving? By practice. By practice. Every day we should practice it. Single day we should not neglect it. If I go on my native place also, I used to do videos in agriculture. Why I have to do agriculture, make videos in agriculture? So my intention to grow in my career, first preference. But still, why I making videos agriculture? Because I can do in Kannada. Why I am doing in English? So how to improve my communication skills, how to improve my public speaking skills. If you have good communication skills in English and if you have good speaking in public, definitely anybody can give opportunities and you can constantly grow in your career, or people will used to give respect. If you have good communication skills, if you have commanding skills and if you have like good skills, definitely anybody can recognize your, they will recognize you and they will give jobs or they will give platform to grow. So my motto is, practicing is a method, we should do it. Then only public speaking skills every day get improved. And second thing is, we have to improve our communication skills. How we can able to improve our communication skills? Whether it is right or wrong, that doesn't matter. You have to speak with English with others, like in your workplace, wherever you go outside, you used to communicate with English. As I told you, excellence is not get in a day or in a month. It is a continuous process. Bundle of trials and errors that will make you strong. So that is the reason I am advising you that whenever you get opportunity to speak in front of the public, we have to go and speak. Whether it is right or wrong, that doesn't matter. Today people may laugh, tomorrow definitely they will going to clap. So should not hesitate to speak in front of the public whenever you get opportunity, like maybe small opportunity or big opportunity, whatever, whichever, wherever, you have to utilize it. Sometimes you may get to speak about welcome speech. Sometimes you may get opportunity to speak word of thanks. You can take an opportunity to speak in front of public, so that obviously your communication skills definitely will improve. I can give you assurance. So this way you have to improve your public speaking skills. And third method is you have to read books a lot. Wherever you get time, please read books, and you can able to visualize audiobooks that will going to benefit, like vocabulary and grammar, self improvement, self motivation, self discipline, self dedication. The public speaking will come within from us. We have to improve means we have to show interest. Where there is a will, there is a way. If you put effort, I used to tell always one line: if we find difficult today, tomorrow it is very good and very, if we face today very easy, tomorrow will be very difficult. So these lines will motivate us to speak in public. So I am advising, whenever you get opportunity to speak at public, please speak. Don't hesitate to speak in front of the public. Small things will make you big. So you should not neglect each day small these things. I hope this video will help you to improve your public speaking skills. You can take my example. Today I can able to speak hours I can able to speak. Only thing is that you require knowledge on that particular subject. So knowledge is a extraordinary power. We can able to speak any kind of speak. We can speak in front, whether in front of public, or whether in front of camera, or whether in front of anything you can able to speak. Only thing is that you require practice. Practice. A perfect practice makes a man perfect. So please practice it. Public speaking is very important tool. You can grow your career like anything. So for career growth, it is very important. Public speaking is very important, that too in especially in English. Please try to improve your communication in English and as well public speaking. Thank you.